This is the continued part of part 4, where some depreciation calculation was not coming correctly. So I made small changes on the depreciation. So we'll show you that one. Go to SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting. And in the financial accounting, we'll go to asset accounting and go to depreciation. Under depreciation, go to valuation method. Under valuation method, go to depreciation key, and here calculation methods. So multi-level method which I have created earlier, TMIN, TMCI, yeah. So let me go to the calculation method which I have created. This is the one which I have created, TMI. So under this, I made, these are the few changes like acquisition year 999. It was earlier, it was same these two, and I have removed this whatever the value I have entered, and baseline value I have entered as 01, and remaining life it is normally calculating as blank. Okay, so these changes I have made to the previous video, part 4, and then if I go to depreciation key, I made small changes on the depreciation key as well. So this is our Tata Motors depreciation area. If I double click on it, so these are all kept as it is, and earlier it is depreciation to the day was selected. I have removed that one, and assignment of calculation methods. So I made changes here. 007, I have taken ordinary depreciation percentage from the life after end of the life. Okay, and these two I kept like earlier, 001, 001, and straight line method. And this option we are uh, selecting as increasing in depreciation area, and this option I am selecting as base value in reduction by scrap value to the amount. So this one more change I have done. Other than that, there is one more change I have done because my depreciation values are not coming earlier. So that was under general valuation, depreciation area, not here. Yeah, determine depreciation area in the asset class. So go to here. Select this one and select the depreciation area. So for machinery, I have using 10 years as a useful life, 10 years for machinery. Then I am taking asset vehicles. For vehicles, I am taking 4 years. So these are the two changes. Third change I have done. Now we'll create one machinery. So for machinery, we have 10 years, and for vehicles, we have 4 years. So let me go back and create the assets. Okay, so the first asset I will create AS01, and I will create machinery. So machinery, TMIN, press enter, and it's the same digital machine printer I am using. Now time dependence, here we'll give a cost center, and depreciation area we will use 10 years. So that is coming from a configuration which we have done. So this is the current period which we have. Click and save this one. So this is the machinery which we have created 200003. Now we'll go to vendor F-90 and give all the details. Reference number, Mac printer, printer 01. And here posting key will go to this vendor. And the amount I am taking as 10,000. Posting key for asset is 70. I will select the latest asset. So that is 2003 asset. So this asset we have created. Press enter. Give the transaction type as 100 and press enter and give the same amount and save it. So 10,000 amount is the one which we are currently utilizing. Okay, so the document 14 is been done. So if you want, you can check the display document. So 10,000 is been posted to this particular asset accounting. So let me show you in the asset. So this is the asset document and this is the asset number 200003. Okay, now we'll go to Asset Explorer AW01N. Press enter. Okay, now you can see here depreciation is getting calculated, but it was not there in earlier because of the configuration small changes I have done. That is the reason we are getting earlier that changes were not there. Now if I go to comparison period, so you will see here from 2022 to 2033. So total around you will see 10 years of depreciation is been calculated and every year it is 1000 because this is 6 months, it is calculating 6 months for remaining period. So this is how it is been calculating. Now we'll show you one for vehicle. Machinery 10 years we said, and for vehicles I'm saying that it will use 4 years. So AS01 will create one vehicle, Tata Motor Vehicles, and just let's say Tata Indica, they have purchased from some of the vendor due to some reason. Cost center and depreciation. So here it is coming useful life as 4 years. Press enter and save. Okay, so asset 10008 has been created. Now we'll go to slash and F dash 090. So this is the asset entry we are posting. Tata Indica. Tata Indica 001. And they are purchasing it from vendor. Let's say Intel Core. Now I don't have a vendor which is very close, but this is basically normal postings which we have to do. So we have to select the right vendor and correct. So we'll take the same amount. Here we'll give asset 70 posting key. And this is the asset which we have created now. Acquisition type is 100. Press enter. give the details 10,000 and save it. Okay, so this is the document 15 has been created. We'll go to display. This is normal accounting entry. And if I go to asset accounting, it will show me this has been the asset related information 1008. Now we'll go to asset explorer. So AW01N. So you will see this is the asset, and now ordinary depreciation is getting calculated. And if I go to comparison period, you will see it has been divided into for the next 4 years properly. So this is off here is calculated, and then the remaining period has been divided like that. Okay, so this is how the changes for issues which we were facing earlier is been rectified, and now we are able to see the depreciation. Thank you.